Okay, all of you give the message in chat box. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Give the
Good
message
morning,
in
sir.
chat box, all of you. Morning. Give the message in chat box. Good morning, all of you. Whose mic is unmuted? Keep your mic as mute. Keep your mic as mute. All of you. If you don't mute your mic, I will make you exit from the group. I will make you exit from the class. Keep your mic as mute, all of you. Only give the message. Good morning. Please wait 5 minutes more to join others. Some are still joining. All of you mute yourself only. Don't mute any other person. Any other only. One thing keep up you mute yourself only. Don't make mute others. One thing keep in mind, mute your Sriya Rani, don't mute others. Mute yourself only, other student. Give the message in message box. My voice is clear or not, my screen is visible or not. Just give in message only. Don't answer. Just give in message. My voice is clear or not. My video is clear or not. Okay. Suman means who is? Don't present your screen. Now don't mute other person. You are not listening my word. Don't make mute others. Mute yourself only. Some of you still joining. Please wait for others to join. Okay, 45. Some of you still joining, so please wait. 78. Total 78 students. So some of you are still joining, so please wait. If you want to say good morning, then send in chat message only. Don't unmute your mic. Okay. Only Sujata Topno. You can answer. Good morning. Can you hear me? Only Sujata Topno. Yourself no. Not others. Only Sujata Topno. Sujata Topno. Unmute yourself. Your voice is not coming. Sujata Topno. Unmute yourself. Okay, please wait. Some of you still joining. Okay, only Jyoti Tigga. Good morning. Unmute yourself. Jyoti Tigga. Yes, Jyoti Tigga.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Okay. All of you keep your mic as mute. Santosh Kumar. Keep your mic as mute. Some of you still joining. Okay. Yeah, we can start now your class. Okay. If you are ready to start the class, just give the message in chat box. We are ready. Just give the message. My voice is clear to all of you. Just give the message in chat box. Don't unmute your mic. Okay, I'm sharing my screen now. I'm trying to sharing my screen now. Okay, so please wait for a few seconds. My screen is coming. Don't make unmute yourself. Okay, keep your mic as mute. If my voice is clear to you, just give the message. Okay, if any question, if any issues, if any problem you finding out during this live class, just give the message. Okay, you can give the message for any question and anything. And one thing, now classes is going on through WhatsApp group also, this live class also. And so keep in mind, uh, on coming days, last week of this month we'll have some test or examination. Okay, so keep in mind. So uh, all the information about what chapter will come and what subject, what schedule, all the date, etc., all the information will be provided through the WhatsApp group. And how you will give the online test and all other thing, every each and every information will be provided through WhatsApp group. So you have to wait. All the information will be in mind. Last week of this month we'll have some test and examination like this. Okay, please wait. It is processing is going on. My screen, I'm sharing my screen, so please wait. Okay, now if my voice is clear, if my video is clear, my screen is clear, then just give the message. Don't unmute yourself, just give the message in chat box. My voice is clear, my screen is clear to all. Just give the message only. I can see each and all of you. Afterwards, okay, see. Okay, my screen is clear to all of you. You can give the message. Okay, so we can start the class. See, we can revise. I know all of you already completed the lesson 1. Okay, we can revise here lesson 1. Okay, screen is clear. If any one of you feeling any issues with the screen sharing, just give the message only. Don't make unmute yourself. Okay, you can see my screen. uh, First chapter here you are going to learn computer hardware and components. So in this lesson you are going to learn about the lesson, first lesson, that is the computer system. Okay, so you can see all the components whatever is in our computer we will discuss here. So you can see first thing, computer system. In our daily life nowadays we all are using computer devices. So computer devices is also very important for our life nowadays. You can see what is a computer. A computer is a machine that works according to a list of instructions known as program. It is an electronic machine that helps you to process data, It is used to solve problems related to almost every field such as education, home, medicine, science and research, animation and publishing. A computer system has two main parts. Okay, which okay, so computer has two main parts. First thing is hardware, second thing is software. Who is making unmuted yourself? Just keep your mic as mute. If you unmute yourself, I will make you exit from the class. Keep in mind. Okay. Okay. So move on. So computer are divided into two main parts. First one is hardware. Second one is software. And you know the clear difference here. Software is the physical devices of computer system which we can see and touch. Those devices constitute the hardware of a computer system. Hardware, wait, some are still joining. Okay. Hardware can be further categorized into internal and external hardware. So you can understand easily. The internal hardware are the internal components of CPU box and external hardware is the external to CPU box. You are asking, sir, you are not visible. Yes, I will not be visible to you. My screen will be visible to you. Okay. So my screen will be visible and my voice will okay, some of you still joining. James Kujur, you are late. Okay, so just see my screen only and listen my voice clearly. Okay, if any issues, you can give the message so that I can see you. Okay, so here computers are divided into two parts: hardware and software. Okay, so you can see hardware are the physical parts which we can see and which we can touch. Another thing is here software. Software relates to a set of programs that control the computer hardware parts and makes them operational. In other words, it governs the operation of a computer system. So you can easily understand software are the main components which control the hardware parts of computer. So this is very important. You must understand hardware and software. These are the two main things which controls the functioning of computer. Okay, some of you are telling you don't have books. Okay, don't worry, just look at my screen and learn about the chapter 1. Okay, don't worry about your book. Okay. Okay, so these two are the main components. Okay, so you can see next thing here, internal hardware. So here one by one we can discuss about the internal hardware of computer device. Okay, so these are the physical device of a computer system which are present inside the CPU cabinet. Okay, so what are these components? It is motherboard. A motherboard is also known as main board. These are the main component. These are the main electronic components where all the devices of computer are being attached. Okay, so it controls all the devices, internal devices also, external devices also. So that is why it is known as motherboard. The components like CPU, RAM, ROM, etc. By looking at the picture you can so you can see here the components like CPU, RAM, ROM, etc. are directly plugged into the motherboard, while other devices like keyboard, mouse, hardware, hard drive, etc. and more devices like sockets, slots, everything is available in motherboard. Okay, so all the components of computer are directly connected to the motherboard. Motherboard controls all the devices, internal and external also. Okay, another device here you can see PCI. So full form you must keep in mind. PCI stands for Peripheral Component Interconnect. So PCI is the component which helps motherboard devices, external. Okay, so like this. Okay, many more cards is also coming with the PCI. Some examples here: sound cards, network cards, etc. For example, you can see here sound card, and by the name of the sound card you can easily understand sound card is used to control the sound system in computer. Okay, so like this here, video card also. Video card controls the uh, video function in computer. Okay, video card is also known as graphics card. Okay, so these small point you must keep in mind. Okay, so monitor, projector, TV, all different thing output device is directly connected to the video card. Okay, another thing, CPU, central processing unit. CPU is the main component where all the processing is going to be done. If screen is not visible, just give the message. I will rectify that one. Okay. So CPU is the main components, and CPU are divided into three main parts. First one is CU, that is control unit. Second part is ALU, that is arithmetic, and third one is memory unit. Okay, so control unit controls all the hardware devices. ALU controls all the calculation, mathematical as well as logical calculation in computer. MU controls the memory unit. Okay, yeah, whatever the question we are interacting with is that with his box. Okay, I can see you all. Okay, so just whatever the question, whatever the discussion we are doing here, that one you have to message here in message box. Okay, next point you can see, yeah, CU controls all the function of different devices. Whatever the devices is connected with the motherboard, that CU controlling all the devices. Okay, next one is here ALU, arithmetic logical unit, that controls the mathematical calculation. Okay, here another example, you can see the picture here. CU control unit, CPU, you can see the given picture. CU are divided into CPU are divided into CU and LU. Okay, CU controls all the connected devices which is connected with the motherboard. Yes, Prerna Topo, I will not be visible to you. My screen will be visible to you. Okay, so look at the screen and listen my voice. Okay. Okay, please don't worry, it is processing is going on, so sometimes you have to wait for few minutes to visible my screen. Okay, so that thing is going on. Okay, if screen is not visible, then you can listen my voice to understand about the topic. Okay, so memory unit controls all the memory in computer. Okay, so memory unit are divided into these parts. First one is here, you can see RAM stands for random access memory. Okay, RAM is the central storage unit in a computer system. It is in the form of a chip. This is why it is called the main memory. Random access memory, this is the temporary memory. Temporary memory, that means whatever the information is stored in RAM, after the electricity gone, all the data will be wiped out. all the data will be lost here. Okay, so that is why it is known as, that is why RAM is known as volatile memory, temporary memory. Okay, so there are two kind of RAM is here. First one is static RAM, SRAM. Second one is dynamic RAM, DRAM. Okay, so keep in mind there are two types of RAM is coming. First one is SRAM, static RAM. Second one is dynamic RAM. Okay, DRAM. So short form, you must keep in mind the full form of each short form. Okay, all the abbreviation and the full form you must keep in mind. Okay, second type of memory is here ROM. That means read only memory. ROM is a special type of memory whose contents can only be read. Okay, but we cannot modify. That is why it is a permanent memory, so the contents of the RAM are not lost even when the computer is switched off. Electricity that is stored in ROM will not be wiped out. It is normally used to store the manufacturer's instruction. ROM also stores an initial program called the bootstrap loader that has the initial instruction to start the operating system program. Okay. Uh, so these are the two types of RAM. Okay, first one is RAM, read random access memory. Second one is ROM, read only memory. Okay, next device you can see disk drive. There are disk drive is there, that is CD and DVD. And full form of CD and DVD, you can give the message in message box. What is the full form of CD? Yes, all of you, what is the full form of CD? Not central disk. Yes, compact disk. Okay, so keep in mind the full form. CD stands for compact disk, not central disk. Okay, keep in mind. And next one is DVD. Okay, DVD stands for digital video disc. That is the earlier full form. Now DVD stands, nowadays you can see DVD stands for digital versatile disc. Versatile means it can be used for all the purpose. That is why it is known as versatile. So DVD stands for digital versatile disc. Okay, next component you can see SMPS, switched mode power supply. Okay, SMPS is used to connect the main power to the computer system. Okay, so that is the use of SMPS. You can easily understand the uses of SMPS. So all the full form you must keep in mind. Next thing is modem. Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. Okay, it is mainly used to connect communication line with the computer system for data transfer. Okay, so to connect through the internet we may needed modem. Okay, so modem is important in our mobile device or in computer device to connect with the internet. Okay, so that is the modem. Okay, another device which is connected with the motherboard is their heat sink. Okay, you can see the picture heat sink. Heat sink is a device, electronic device, that is used for keeping your CPU cool. Okay, it controls the heat of CPU devices in motherboard. Okay, you have asked about ISDN line. Okay, ISDN line is also used for internet connection. Okay, like broadband services are using ISDN line, etc. So like this. So you must keep in mind the full form of this thing. Okay, so next thing here you can see heat sink. Heat sink is used to control the temperature, and you can see uh, after processing many things. Hello, who is making mute? Unmute yourself. Don't do this thing. Keep your mic as mute, all of you. Okay, so you can see after processing many processing, CPU becomes hotter. Okay, So heat sink is the device which controls the heat of CPU. Okay, so that is the device. Next thing here, ports. So many ports are there. Yeah, full form of LCD. LCD full form is the liquid crystal display. So keep in mind LCD, all the monitor are known as LCD also. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. You may know about this. There are television is there, TV, LCD, LED. Okay, LCD TV is for all the displays. So here LCD is for liquid crystal display. And another word you are listening, LED, LED TV like this. LED stands for light emitting diode. Okay, light emitting diode. Keep in mind all the full form, all of you. Okay, so next thing here, ports. So different types of yeah, you are asking about the CRT. CRT means cathode ray tube. That is the earlier system, earlier technology which you were using in earlier TV. That big box TV, you may remembering the history. Earlier we were using the big box TV. That technology they were using CRT technology. Okay, next topic here you can see ports. Okay, ports is there. Different types of ports we are using in motherboard. Okay, all ports we are using to connect all the devices with the CPU. Okay, first port you can see serial port is there. As per the given picture you can easily understand serial port. Okay, like mouse, modem, all are connected through the serial port. Another port you can see parallel port. Okay, another one you can see PS2 port. Okay, so PS2 port, you may remember these are used for the mouse. Another one you can see USB port. Nowadays all the devices are coming with the USB port. Yes, HDMI also. Yeah, here USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. And VDU full form you must keep in mind, visual display unit. Okay, so another one here you can see VGA port. VGA port is especially for the visual display. Okay, VGA means video graphics array port. Okay, so keep in mind these all the full form of the given short form. Okay, so these are the port where we connect all the devices through the motherboard so that we can work with all the devices. There are many more external devices also. So all the hardware are divided into these category: input device, processing device, output device, like this. Okay, so here input device example you can see here in screen. First one here example keyboard, and you know what is the use of keyboard. Mouse is the input device, and you know what is the uses of mouse. Okay, so there are different types of mouse is there. First one is mechanical mouse. Okay, that we were using earlier technology. Another one is trackball mouse. Another one here you can see optical mouse. Nowadays we are using optical mouse. Another technology we also using nowadays, wireless mouse. So you can see wireless mouse is using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi also. Okay, so that is the usage of this thing. HDMI, you can see the full form, high definition multiple interface, like this. Okay, so you can see this thing. Next one here you can see input device scanner. Okay, scanner are used to input the images, any photographs, posters, magazines, etc. Yeah, you are asking about the COM port. COM port is also used to connect many devices like joystick, etc. Okay, so these are used for connecting all the external devices with the CPU. So scanner are of two types. First one is flatbed scanner. Second one is handheld scanner. Okay, so flatbed scanner is used to scan photograph, etc. Handheld devices you have already seen in many big malls of to scan the barcode. Okay, device is there, microphone. Another is pen. You know already to light pen. Here you can see light pen is used to take the signature, etc. Digital camera, you can see we are using digital camera is also input device. Okay, yeah, just listen and you can discuss with each other with the related topics. Don't chat with each other any other topic. Device, you can see output device we are also using. Many output devices we are using here. For example, monitor is the basic output device here. uh, okay, you know already where we are using monitor. Second here, yeah, monitor are categorized into two parts here. First one is cathode ray tube. Earlier monitor were coming CRT based. Okay, so keep in mind the full form of CRT. Another one is LCD, liquid crystal display. Okay, nowadays LCD monitor and LED monitor is coming. Who is making unmuted yourself? Who said to unmute? Mute yourself. All of you keep your mic as mute so that we can listen each other. Okay? Yeah, another output device is there. Printer. Okay. So you can see printer helps us to take output on a paper. Okay. So printer are coming also with many categories. First types here you can see dot matrix printer. Okay, inkjet printer, laser printer. Okay, so all the types of printer having different technology with themselves and using and limitation also there. Okay, so you are asking about our school are using all three types of printer. Dot matrix also, that is used for printing some bill, etc. Inkjet printer to print colorful picture. Laser printer to do the xerox and all other things. Okay, you can see the picture and you can understand the technology they are doing. Some of them are doing colorful and some of them are doing only black and white picture. Okay, another thing here, output device, you can see LCD. So LCD projector is used to show the visual thing, and you know already in digital class and all other thing we are using the LCD projector. So another thing here, storage devices is also connected with the CPU. Some storage devices here you can see, we can discuss with each other. So these storage devices we are using. Storage devices are mainly used to connect, not connect, it is used to store the data and information. Okay, all the files, photographs, etc. So these storage devices we are using. Hard disk, first one is hard disk. Hard disk is coming with the different size. You can see nowadays it is coming with the 1 TB limitation. Okay, many more sizes is also coming there. Okay, if my picture is not clear, don't worry, you can listen my voice. Okay, yeah, hard disk is also coming with many sizes there, GB, TB, and all the full form you must know. KB means kilobytes, MB means megabytes, GB means gigabyte, TB means terabytes. Okay, so like this, CD is also there. CD only stores 800 MB of data. MB means megabytes. What is CPU cabinet, you are asking about? CPU cabinet only is only the box where all the devices, motherboard, etc., and all the internal devices are connected. Okay, that is the CPU cabinet. Another thing here, DVD, you know already the full form. And you are asking about the platters. See, platters are used to print out the big map, etc. Okay, so like this, many more types of devices is there. Platters is also the output device. Okay, keep in mind. Another types, their disk is there. Blu-ray disc also. Blu-ray disc is also one kind of like, it looks like CD, but it having the higher storage capacity, like 25 GB to 50 GB data it can store. Okay, I can see some of you, your battery become low. You can mute yourself, kindly mute your video also, so that you can save your battery for few minutes more. Okay, so like this flash drive is also there. Yeah, you are asking about the difference between DVD and Blu-ray. Only one difference is there, that is the storage capacity. DVD can store only 4 GB, 18 GB, etc. like this, but Blu-ray can store up to 25 GB, 50 GB. More storage capacity having Blu-ray disc is there. Another one you are asking about the full form of PB. PB means petabytes. Okay, actually there are different capacities there. Uh, Petabytes, jottabytes, different kinds of capacity is there. You can see, you can look about this one. You through the internet you can understand about these capacity. Okay, so like this is, these are the coming. Flash drive is also known as pen drive. You have already seen the pen drive. Okay, so all the pen drive is also known as flash drive. Okay, so like this, in the first chapter you have studied about this thing. Okay, so like this, you have to revise about first chapter and second chapter also. In next class we will discuss about the second chapter. And don't make mute, unmute yourself, keep your mic as mute, all of you. Okay, yeah, so keep in mind and make sure to revise the lesson 1 2 3. Okay, next class we will discuss about the chapter 2, where I will tell you how to convert different number system there, decimal to binary, binary to decimal. All the process and information I will share through the video also, and I will share, we will discuss in next class also. So all the conversion and process you will learn properly. Okay, okay, so all of you understand about that one and all the topic. If you understood the, then give in chat box. Okay, don't make unmute yourself. If any question anybody, you can ask through the chat box. Anybody, any question? Yes, anybody, any question? Okay, Sujata Topno, you can unmute yourself only. Sujata Topno. Yes, Sujata Topno, unmute yourself only. Sujata Topno. Are you, you can listen or not? Sujata Topno, unmute yourself only. Sujata Topno. Okay, Mona Lisa Khalko, unmute yourself. Mona Lisa Khalko. Yes, Mona Lisa Khalko. You can listen my voice. Mona Lisa Khalko. Yes, Mona Lisa Khalko. Okay, Smriti Topno. You can listen my voice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any question, any doubt? Yes, Smriti
No,
Topno.
sir. No doubts.
Okay. Yes, Kesav Jha. Kesav Jha, you can hear me? Kesav Jha. Okay, it's fine. So you can see our class time is already going to be over. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If anybody any doubt, you can give the message for any question. Yeah, you are asking for PB
No,
full form
sir.
petabytes. Keep in mind PB means petabytes. Okay, and all
No
the
doubts.
full form you must keep in mind. Okay, so these information keep in mind. Wait. Okay, these information keep in mind. Okay, it's fine now, so no any doubt. Okay, so we will continue all other keep down and look for another class and do revision all the topic. Okay, yeah, Aryan Manji, you can ask or you can reply. Aryan Manji, Justin Patrick, yes. Okay, okay. Anybody any doubt? Yeah, Manoj Mahato, Aman Eka, Adarsh Eka, don't present yourself. Adar. Okay, Aman Eka, you can. Yes, Kumar, Aman Kumar, you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, what is? Yes, sir. Sir, what is the function of parallel port? Yes, sir.
Repeat again your question.
The function of parallel port.
Yeah, parallel port. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nowadays parallel port are not using. We are not using. In earlier days, printer
Yes,
were
sir.
used to connect through the parallel port with the CPU. Okay, parallel port we were using in earlier days. Nowadays we are generally using USB and other HDMI port, etc. Parallel port
Sir, I have.
now become it is history.
Yes, sir. And PS2 port.
PS2 you can see mouse is coming with the PS2 port, mouse and keyboard. Nowadays PS2 port is also converted into USB port. Okay, so like this it is
Yes, sir.
happening now. So
Sir, what is?
you can easily
Yes, sir.
understanding
Sir,
world
what is
is
the
changing
function of
now.
parallel
So all
port?
the devices
Yes, sir.
interface etc everything is being changed. Okay, any other question?
The
Aman
function
Kumar,
of parallel port.
any other question?
No, sir.
Okay, Ananya Das. Okay, keep your mic is mute. Ananya Das.
Sir, I have also doubt.
Okay, one by one, not all together. You can give the message in chat box. You can give the message in chat box. Yeah, Ashish. Okay, give the message in chat
Yes, sir.
box.
And PS2 port. Hello.
Whatever the question you have, just give in chat box. Okay. Okay. Asim Anurag Barla, you are asking about polycarbonate. See, polycarbonate
Yes, sir.
is a component which is used to create
Yes,
the
sir.
cover of the components. Whose
Yes,
mic
sir.
is keep
Yes,
your
sir. No,
Vibha
sir.
Kumari, keep your mic is mute.
No, sir.
Vibha Kumari, keep your mic is
No, sir.
mute.
Sir, I have doubt.
Whatever the question you have, you
Sir,
can.
I have also doubt.
Whatever the question you
Sir, I
have,
have
you
also
can
Sir,
doubt.
I have
ask
also.
through the message box. I will answer to you. Yes, you Ananidas, you are asking that SMPS, yeah, SMPS is
Okay, sir.
the CPU. Okay, wherever the
Sir, I have doubt.
wire we are connecting with the CPU, there is SMPS part. Okay, another question is asking through Justin Patrick. Sir, can we send GB through flash drive to computer? Yes, but it is the limitation of the pen drive. How much pen drive can store? 1 GB, 2 GB, like this. Okay. Polycarbonate. Asim Anurag Bala, you are asking about the polycarbonate. Keep in mind, polycarbonate is the component which is used to create different electronic components or its cover also. Okay. Sriya Rani, you are asking about the printer. Can be connected with the laptop? Yes, it can be
sir.
connected. Okay, yeah, okay. So all other question you can, if any question you can ask through the WhatsApp group. Now we can leave our class. Okay. So I hope all of you are very well. So we will. Okay. I will see all of you in next class. Okay. Now you can leave the class now one by one. All of you. Okay. Just leave now. All of you. If any question you have to ask through the WhatsApp group.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now time is already over, so you can leave. Anjali Roma Lakraj.
Sir.
Okay, bye all together. You can leave. Okay, you can leave. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Bye, sir.
bye.
Thank you, sir.
All of you, you
Thank
can
you,
leave.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Mona Lisa Khalko.
Thank you, sir.
Mona Lisa Khalko.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you can leave. Okay, you can leave. What? Who said?
Thank you, sir.
James Kujur. Sachin Kumar Singh. Topno Smriti. Jayant Ekka. Yeah, you can leave now. Muhammad Aviz Khan. Austin Norman.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Jia Verma.
you, sir.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Anushka
Thank you,
Lakra.
sir. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.